Welcome to Compare to Win. The best sublimation ink is probably one of the most exciting tools for any DIY enthusiast or small business owner looking to create vibrant, long-lasting designs on various products. In this video, we're diving deep into the Printers Jack Sublimation Ink for the Epson 2720, exploring its capabilities, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover how this ink can transform your projects with stunning colors and impressive durability. Number 5. Printers Jack 400ml Sublimation Ink. This sublimation ink is designed for a variety of Epson inkjet printers. It allows you to transfer vibrant designs onto various items. It's perfect for personalizing gifts and creating unique products. The ink is compatible with models like the ET2720, ET2750, and WF7710, among others. This versatility makes it a great choice for many users. You can easily find a compatible printer for this ink. Download a free ICC profile from Printers Jack to enhance your prints. This will help you achieve the best color accuracy and transfer quality. It's a great way to customize your prints. The ink delivers high heat transfer rates and produces bright, vivid colors. It's designed to prevent clogging and ensure smooth printing. This ensures that your prints will look great. This ink is water-resistant, light-fast, and fade-resistant, ensuring long-lasting prints. It's also easy to install and refill, making it convenient for regular use. You can easily maintain the quality of your prints. This dye-sub ink is ideal for polyester fabrics and items with coatings. It is not suitable for cotton. It is also ISO 9001 certified, ensuring its quality. What we like. This ink provides vibrant colors and is easy to install and refill. It's also fade-resistant, ensuring your prints last. If you're looking for a reliable ink that delivers high-quality prints without the hassle, you should consider this. What people say. It prints vibrant, presses vibrant. The colors are vibrant and rich. The inks are well packaged to ensure on leakage, and the tips make it easy to transfer the ink into the special containers for my printer. Number 4. Hiipoo Sublimation Ink for ET Series printers. Are you ready to bring your ideas to life? This Hiipoo Sublimation Ink is designed for a wide range of inkjet printers. It's perfect for creating vibrant, long-lasting prints on various items. This ink is compatible with many Epson printers, including the ET Series and Workforce models. It's also suitable for a variety of DIY projects. You can use it on mugs, t-shirts, and more. Whether you're making gifts or personalizing items, this ink is ideal. It's great for creating unique designs on various materials. Remember, it works best on fabrics with less than 30% cotton. Experience the most vibrant colors that won't fade. The water-based dye sublimation ink ensures a smooth, even coat every time. It offers intense and vivid color images. This product holds ISO 9001 and MSDS certifications. It has undergone rigorous quality checks to ensure the highest standards. You can trust it to deliver potent, high-quality, and vibrant colors. The package includes 127 milliliters of black ink and 70 milliliters each of cyan, magenta, and yellow ink. This is a product that you will love as soon as you receive it. Get ready to start your next project. What we like. This ink offers wide compatibility and is great for DIY projects. It produces vibrant, long-lasting colors. If you are looking for an ink that is perfect for creating personalized gifts and bringing your creative ideas to life, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the print quality is excellent. The ink works perfectly with my Epson 2720 printer. The ink is easy to use and produces great results on various sublimation blanks. Number 3. Printers Jack T522 Ink Refill Kit. Introducing the Printers Jack T522 Ink Refill Kit. This kit is designed for your Epson printers. It ensures you get high-quality prints. This ink is formulated for various Epson EcoTank printers, including ET2720 and ET4700. It's also compatible with other models. This ink is a reliable choice for your printing needs. Get printouts with rich black tones and clear textures. This ink provides excellent print quality without clogging issues. It delivers consistent results every time. Each black ink bottle yields up to 6,000 pages, based on 5% coverage. The ink volume in each bottle is 70 milliliters. This kit offers great value and long-lasting performance. Our products are manufactured under strict quality standards. They meet ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE, RHS, REACH, and MSDS standards. For easy use, watch the video on the page. What we like. This ink ensures printouts with rich black tones and clear textures. It's also easy to use. If you are looking for an ink that delivers high-quality prints without any clogging issues, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are vibrant. The ink works great with the Epson 2720 printer. The ink is perfect for sublimation. Number 2. Hiipoo's Sublimation Ink for ET series printers. This is Hiipoo's Sublimation Ink, designed for your EcoTank inkjet printer. It's perfect for bringing your creative ideas to life on various items. This ink makes it easy to personalize gifts or create unique products. Hiipoo ink is compatible with a wide range of ET series printers. Whether you have an ET 2720 or an ET 15000, this ink is designed to work seamlessly. You can be sure that it will fit your printer. This sublimation ink is ideal for a variety of projects. You can use it on mugs, t-shirts, and more. It's great for creating personalized gifts or starting your own printing business. Experience vibrant, fade-resistant colors with Hiipoo ink. The colors are designed to stand out and last. The water-based dye ensures a smooth, even application for vivid images. The package includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow sublimation inks, along with gloves. This makes refilling simple and user-friendly. It's an eco-friendly choice for your printing needs. What we like. This ink offers wide compatibility and vibrant colors. It also features anti-UV protection for long-lasting prints. If you are looking for an ink that delivers high-quality prints and is perfect for creating personalized gifts, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the print quality is excellent. The ink works great with my Epson 2720 printer. I have had no issues with clogging or smudging. Number 1. Printers Jack Sublimation Ink for EcoTank printers. This sublimation ink is specially designed for your EcoTank printers. It's compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring you get the perfect print every time. It's a great choice for your printing needs. Unlike ordinary inks, this one offers professional anti-UV protection. This means it resists fading and oxidation, ensuring your prints last longer. Choose this for durable, vibrant results. Get the best print quality without needing an ICC profile. You can easily create personalized gifts for your loved ones. It's perfect for various items like t-shirts, mugs, and more. This ink uses a 3-layer filtration technology for vivid colors and smooth printing. It prevents clogging, giving you realistic and long-lasting prints. If you want great results, this is a great choice. Filling your printer is now easier with the upgraded nozzle design. The auto-stop feature prevents spills, making it user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, it's a great choice. What we like. This ink features professional anti-UV protection and ICC-free printing. The design upgrade makes it easy to fill. If you want a more durable ink with realistic printing effects and easy filling, it will be your best choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant. The ink works great with the Epson 2720 printer. The ink is perfect for sublimation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.